Hey, my skincare-obsessed friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hydration, and more specifically, how to layer hyaluronic acid like a pro. Trust me, getting that dewy, plump skin is a total game changer, and it all starts with the right routine. Think of your skincare routine like building the perfect playlist. You wouldn't just hit shuffle and hope for the best, right? Each product has its own unique role to play in creating a harmonious symphony of hydration on your skin. So, if you're ready to transform your skin from parched to perfectly hydrated, grab your favorite hydrating products and let's get started. Alright guys, before we even think about layering on those hydrating heroes, we need to start with a clean slate. Remember, prepping your skin properly is key. That means grabbing a gentle cleanser that effectively removes dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. You want a cleanser that leaves your skin feeling refreshed and balanced, not tight or dry. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Think of it like this. You wouldn't paint a masterpiece on a dirty canvas, right? The same goes for your face. We want to create the perfect base for all the amazing hydration that's about to come. Now, when it comes to cleansing, remember, gentle is key, especially if you're dealing with dry or sensitive skin. Massage your cleanser onto damp skin in circular motions, really taking your time to work it in. This will help to loosen up any dirt and grime, making it easier to rinse away. And guys, please, for the love of all things skincare, be gentle with the water temperature. Hot water can be super drying and strip your skin of its natural oils, so stick to lukewarm or even cool water instead. Once you've thoroughly cleansed your face, gently pat it dry with a soft towel. Again, no harsh rubbing here. We want to treat our skin with love and care. Now that we've got that clean canvas, we're ready to move on to the next step. Alright, now that we've cleansed our skin to perfection, it's time to set the stage for ultimate hydration with a toner. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, toner? Isn't that just an extra step? And to that, I say, absolutely not. A good toner is like the ultimate multitasker of your skincare routine. It helps to rebalance your skin's pH after cleansing, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Think of your skin's pH as a delicate balancing act. Cleansing can sometimes disrupt this balance, but a toner helps to restore it, creating the perfect environment for your other products to work their magic. Not only that, but toners can also help to minimize the appearance of pores, soothe any irritation, and even prep your skin for better absorption of your serums and moisturizers. It's like giving your skin a tall drink of water after a workout. It just makes everything better. When choosing a toner, look for one that's alcohol-free and packed with hydrating and soothing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or aloe vera. These ingredients will help to attract and retain moisture, leaving your skin feeling plump, dewy, and oh so ready for the next step. To apply, simply soak a cotton pad with your toner and gently swipe it across your face and neck. You can also apply it directly to your hands and pat it into your skin. Either way, make sure to avoid the eye area. And there you have it, a perfectly toned and prepped canvas for hyaluronic acid to work its magic. Okay guys, the moment you've all been waiting for, it's hyaluronic acid time. This ingredient is a hydration superstar, and for good reason. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, which means it acts like a tiny magnet, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into your skin. We're talking next-level hydration here. Now here's the key to maximizing hyaluronic acid's powers. Apply it to damp skin. I repeat, damp skin is key. Why? Because hyaluronic acid needs moisture to work its magic. When applied to dry skin, it can actually draw moisture away from the deeper layers of your skin, which is the opposite of what we want. So, after toning, don't wait for your skin to dry completely. Instead, apply a few drops of your favorite hyaluronic acid serum to your damp face and neck. You can also mix it with your moisturizer if you prefer, and remember, a little goes a long way. As you massage the serum into your skin, you'll notice it has this amazing, almost slippery texture. That's a good sign, my friends. It means the hyaluronic acid is getting to work, drawing in all that precious moisture and plumping up your skin from the inside out. Trust me, once you experience the magic of hyaluronic acid, you'll never go back. All right, we've layered on that hyaluronic acid, and our skin is drinking up all that hydration. Now, it's time to seal the deal and lock it all in with a moisturizer. Think of your moisturizer as the ultimate bodyguard for your skin, preventing all that precious moisture from escaping. When it comes to choosing a moisturizer to pair with hyaluronic acid, look for one that contains ingredients like ceramides or niacinamide. Ceramides are lipids that help to strengthen your skin's natural barrier, preventing moisture loss and protecting it from environmental stresses. Niacinamide, on the other hand, is a powerful antioxidant that helps to soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and improve your skin's overall tone and texture. Together, these ingredients create a dynamic duo that will leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and oh so hydrated. Apply your moisturizer to your face and neck, gently massaging it in until it's fully absorbed. And remember, don't forget about your neck. The skin on your neck is just as delicate as the skin on your face, so it deserves just as much love and hydration. Now, take a moment to appreciate how incredibly soft and dewy your skin feels. That, my friends, is the power of proper hydration. And last but definitely not least, we're finishing strong with the grand finale of our hydration routine, SPF. I cannot stress this enough, guys. Sunscreen is an absolute non-negotiable, no matter what your skin type or the weather outside. Think of it as the ultimate act of self-care for your skin. You see, all that hard work we just put into hydrating our skin? Well, UV rays from the sun can sabotage all of it, breaking down collagen, causing hyperpigmentation, and increasing the risk of premature aging. No, thank you. By applying SPF as the final step in your skincare routine, you're creating a protective shield that prevents those harmful UV rays from penetrating your skin and undoing all that amazing hydration we just layered on. It's like giving your skin its own personal force field. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and apply it generously to all exposed skin, including your face, neck, ears, and hands. And remember to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors. And there you have it, my skincare enthusiasts. The ultimate guide to layering hyaluronic acid for dewy, plump skin. Remember, just like with any good routine, consistency is key. Stick with these steps morning and night, and you'll be amazed by the transformation in your skin. Trust me, your skin will be thanking you. Now, I want to hear from you guys. What are your favorite hydrating products? Drop them in the comments below and let's share the skincare love. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, stay hydrated, my friends, and keep shining bright.